A ver. Bonito. Let me tell you something. Look, he broke the fucking board. You fucking bitch. That man, why you don't bring another board? Let me go get it, Alan.
Get what?
Maybe this one is burned in the back.
Probably. Shit, who fucking screwed this shit in? One screw.
Me?
Lazy motherfucker.
See, I want to try first.
Where's your connectors at?
Brand new connector.
Shit. How much? $50?
I don't know.
Don't care.
Nah.
Take all the wire. I gotta go, man.
I got emergency.
Well, I called Danny, right?
Uh-huh.
Do you see how much he owed? Where your nut driver? That's it?
Nuh-uh. I got it in my pocket.
I called Danny to see how much he owed in taxes.
Go.
30,000.
Go.
30,000.
30,000?
Yeah. Shit, I owe 50. Oh, fuckers. He owed 30,000 to IRS and 6,000 to the Virginia state.
Ooh.
I'll
pay 1,700 to. Let me see this in the back.
That look good.
I got a new one, Alan.
Well, it's not the board. It's a wiring issue, man. Who fucking did this wiring, man?
I don't know, man.
Oh, no, piece of shit carriers, man.
Take it out. Pull it. The white thing, pull it.
What?
It coming out. I put it inside.
Well, yeah, I know.
Piece of shit. You can use this relay? You can use it?
Not for
Huh?
fucking carriers, man.
You
I
go.
got a shit ton of fucking relays, man. Which one you need? Which one do you need, man? I got a shit ton, man.
Look. Leave it like this.
Look, to turn on, right? You gotta hold it.
What the fuck is shit?
It's just... It turns on the relay. This look easy, right? You follow along?
Yeah.
Fucking put a Goodman board and a carrier.
Yeah, go make it a good man now.
I got no place to mount it there. I'll fucking plug it in first.
I got liquor now.
This is W, 2W, and G.
You hear me?
Huh?
I got the
No,
I got liquor now.
No, man. That's orange. It's gonna be. What is this? Common.
Yeah, brown coming.
Brown is common. So cut this orange out. Why is there orange on there?
Shit.
That's brown, common. Purple is gonna be W. No, I'm not doing that yet. This is red. This is XMR. Hold on there. Okay.
Rewire, you know rewire.
This is normally open. And this is need one more relay in this bitch in a minute. This is gonna be main power. This other main power. There should be a black one somewhere.
Black?
Oh, there's a main power. They split it. Stupid. There it is, right here. What the fuck is this shit? Main power.
And this shit go like pa 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 pa.
Let's see. This is gonna come over here. XMRC.